Why do 70% of health enthusiasts swear by collagen protein? Because it's not just a trend, it's a revolution in nutritional science. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, playing a crucial role in building skin, bones, and connective tissues. But here's the kicker. As we age, our body's natural collagen production declines. That's where collagen supplements come into play. Adding collagen protein to your diet can lead to healthier skin, stronger nails, and more luscious locks. Think of it as your body's renovation team, helping to rebuild and restore from the inside out. But the benefits don't stop at beauty. Collagen also supports joint health and can reduce pain associated with arthritis. It boosts muscle mass and aids metabolism, making it a powerhouse for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. So whether you're aiming to turn back the clock on aging or boost your body's strength, collagen protein is your go-to warrior. Why wait to give your body what it needs? Dive into the world of collagen today.